Phishing is the attempt to access personal information such as account details, usernames and passwords by contacting you claiming to be a company or individual you know. Phishing operates most commonly by email or social media, by posing as your bank, student loans company, social networking sites, online shopping sites, friends, colleagues, or our university help desk. Scammers send you messages asking you to update passwords or account details, or try to make you respond by offering rewards, saying your account has been hacked or you need to revalidate your account. Phishing scams can be easy to spot. Look for signs such as emails not addressing you personally, beginning with "Dear Student" or "Dear Account Holder." Be wary of emails asking you to share personal information. Look out for emails that ask you to verify or validate your account. Phishing emails tend to be poorly written and may include spelling mistakes and odd formatting. The emails may have a sense of urgency and warn you that you could lose access to your account or that you've reached your mail quota. Be suspicious of links in emails. Hover over them to check where they're going. On social media, phishing operates by sending you links appearing to be from friends saying, "Look at this photo." The link will then direct you to false websites. By following links from emails or social media and entering your information or attempting to log into the false website, your details and passwords can be stolen, which can result in financial loss or theft of contact details. By hovering over links, you can see whether you're being directed to the same site as the hyperlink. Links can be disguised by URL shortening sites like bit.ly and tinyurl. It is always best to navigate to the site directly from your browser. This way you can also see if you're already logged in. Check the domain of websites to see if it is exactly correct and whether it is a secure website as indicated by HTTPS and the padlock symbol, not just HTTP. Some phishing emails can be very realistic and cause many people to be scammed every year. Be careful of any communication asking for personal information. IT services will never ask you for passwords by email, over the phone or in person, and neither should any other organisation. If you suspect an email is a phishing scam, don't worry that you've opened the email, but don't reply and don't click any links. Mark the email as phishing or contact IT services for advice if you're unsure. To be safe, never click on links from any suspicious email and always go directly to the original website. If you think you've given away your details to phishers or you're unsure about a message, get in touch with IT services as soon as possible. Email, call or visit us in the library.